Hello guys, it's me again. In this video I'm gonna show you how to get up Spotify sleep timer Android. Firstly guys, I need to mention that right now we are working on Android, but don't worry about it, it is the same process on iPhone. Firstly, what you need to do is just simply take a song from a playlist and then go on the three dots icon on your right upper side. What you need to do next is just scroll down, and as you can see you have the option for sleep timer. Just click on it, and here you can have the option for stopping audio in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, and also have the option for end of the track. Now we'll go with 5 minutes and your sleep timer is set. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.